Okay, let's go.
Here we go.
Here's the bottom. Here's that run. Oh yeah. Let's go. That's for all of it. We'll be right back.
That mogul run.
We'll be right back after that.
I want to hit the apex lift once, please. I want to see if the snow is worth it there. Please.
Sure. You got the energy. As long as you have positive attitude.
6-shift depression tower. On the light side. Same on the heavy side, looks like. They could have just added a like mid station where the top is right now and then continue to lift all the way to Gold Hill. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It would have had to have a bottom drive at that point because of all the wind. Game Creek Express is pretty exposed, but it has a top drive. Has insulation, I think, though, to protect it from the elements. I wonder, what do most people use Gold Hill for to get to Revelation Bowl? Only the truly advanced skiers, though,
You know, Revelation Bowl
would lap Gold Hill.
was really nice.
It's just kind of hard to get out of without skiing a double diamond extreme.
Yeah, it's doable, but it's just it makes you pine away for Vail's back bowls. That's what it does.
Why? Because it's smaller?
Because Vail's back bowls are like 50 times larger.
Yeah, I agree. It's still pretty, though.
It is. It was. I'd say this is way prettier. Definitely, maybe the prettiest place I ever skied. We didn't do this one yet.
No,
either.
this is the next one we'll do. So we'll go low, medium, high, and then we'll do low, medium, high.
I have to figure out what this is called and what that other one is called.
What, this run? Oh, this one's called Alta, I think. The one, I forgot. What was the one we skied called? I forgot. Oh, yeah. This one's called Alta. And I don't know the name of this one.
The only thing tricky about that silver one was the top.
Yeah.
And it had a few trees on it.
It's pretty, though. Pretty short run. And good
This
scenery.
is actually all good right here. All these little bunkers.
This one's a little easy
Wear
looking.
ourselves out on.
This one's a little easy
No,
looking.
we still easily dump it on this. This is the kind of run we need to be getting practice on. I don't know why we didn't ski this.
Because we skied low, medium, high, remember?
How could we not have skied? Oh, we went over to the left.
Remember I
instead?
said we were going to do low, medium, high. So we'll ski Alta next, and then we'll ski this one. Then
I'll
if I
make
still
sure
have
get
energy-
that giant one at the bottom. I'm looking at the name of that one to that right now.
We can look on the map. All the drives honestly sound kind of similar of these uni space jets. Gold Hill does have a difference, but Village and Polar Queen sound pretty similar.